Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you the Critical Universal Battery. With the Critical Universal Battery, it's time to turn your favourite rotary tattoo machine into a wireless powerhouse. So let's take a closer look. The Critical Universal Battery is compatible with most rotary tattoo machines and features a durable construction, an ergonomic and balanced design, and an intuitive user interface that provides true freedom while working. Two versions of the Critical Universal Battery are available, one with an RCA connection that will fit most rotary machines, and one with a 3.5mm Cheyenne type connection. Each version of the battery pack is lightweight and tops the scales at only 57 grams, so it won't disrupt the balance of your machine. The straightforward cylindrical design, along with a small length and width of just 6.3 and 3.2 centimeters respectively, means that the Critical Universal Battery is easy to wrap and cover for hygiene purposes. Operating Critical's Universal Battery couldn't be easier. Simply press and hold the Critical logo button here to switch the battery pack on, then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the voltage from 4 to 13 volts in 0.1 volt steps, or hold the buttons to cycle through voltages quickly. Click the largest button again to start the battery pack, with the flashing decimal point indicating that it is running. Press the button again to stop it. This battery pack features a critical core, which provides a consistent and stable voltage output. Depending on the voltage and machine used, the Critical Universal Battery will offer up to 10 hours of running time. A battery icon next to the voltage will display how much battery life the pack has left. To charge your battery pack, look no further than the Critical Universal Battery dock, which is perfect for keeping your workstation organised while charging these batteries. The battery dock has two charge slots for Critical Universal batteries and is compatible with both the RCA and 3.5mm connection versions. This docking station features a no-fuss, easy battery swap, so you can swap out the Critical Universal batteries quickly with just one hand while working. Batteries will take approximately 2 to 3 hours to charge from depleted to full, and Critical has included a USB-C cable and wall plug in a box of the docking station. The Critical Universal Battery dock also has a built-in magnetic base that allows artists to mount it on any metal surface for easy access during tattooing sessions. The batteries will fit into the dock easily, precisely, and will stay in place at most angles. Finally, the docking station will not take up much room on your workstation, with its compact size measuring 10.2 centimeters in length, 5.1 centimeters in width, and 3 centimeters in height. Made in the USA, the Critical Universal Battery packs and docking station are all available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen a Critical Universal Battery, what do you think? Will you be cutting the cord and joining the wireless revolution? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.